Who could be up this late? Come on, Frodo, let's grab our swords.
Whoa, it's Gandalf!
What is he doing here?
Boys, Frodo, Bilbo, this isn't what it seems. I'm actually related to Santa Claus. I'm his brother.
I see, Frodo. If you're not gonna accept me as Santa Claus's brother, then I'm gonna have to take drastic measures. So, the job has been done. Excellent. Ho, ha, 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 ho, 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 ho. I can see why you're my brother now. Gandalf, I have a new mission for you. You will recruit new people to become elves and be servants to me. And they will aid you in your missions as well. So, good luck on your next mission. Yes, brother. I'll be sure to attend to it immediately. What will happen next? Will Gandalf be successful in recruiting new elves, or will he fail? Stay tuned next time for another episode of The Hobbit Mystery.